Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 15 best foods to burn fat and lose weight. These are foods that are proven by science to boost your metabolism, suppress your appetite, and enhance your fat-burning hormones. By adding these foods to your diet, you will see amazing results in your body, your energy, and your health. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first food on the list is fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, herring, sardines, and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids also help you burn fat by increasing your metabolic rate and reducing your cortisol levels, which is a stress hormone that promotes fat storage. Fatty fish is also a great source of protein, which keeps you full and helps you build muscle. Aim to eat at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap the benefits. The second food is MCT oil. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, which are a type of fat that is metabolized differently than other fats. MCTs are quickly absorbed by the body and used for energy or converted into ketones, which are an alternative fuel source for the brain and muscles. MCTs have been shown to increase your metabolic rate by 5%, which means you burn more calories and fat throughout the day. MCTs also help you control your appetite and prevent muscle loss during weight loss. You can find MCT oil online or at natural grocery stores, and you can add it to your coffee, smoothies, or salads. Start with 1 teaspoon per day and gradually increase to 2 tablespoons per day. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.